Hey guys, it's Jasmine. So in today's video, I'm going to be filming a Camila Cabello inspired makeup tutorial. You guys can probably already tell at this point, I'm obsessed with her. We all know this. She's a queen. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video and let's hop on into it. Starting with brows because the queen just always slays everything. I'm going to be taking this Sephora waterproof brow stuff. I don't know what this is called at this point. I'm kind of a mess right now. So I'm just gonna lightly fill in my brows while I'm a mess right now. Then after I've filled them in a little bit, I'm going to be taking the other end of the brush and I'm just gonna brush up my eyebrows. I'm just gonna use my fingers because that's who I am at this point. And oh my god, that's a lot. I didn't want to use that much. Okay. She always has like really rosy and blushed cheeks, so I'm going to be using, what color am I going to be using? Shoot! Oh no. I'm going to be using this blush shade from this little Clinique palette that I stole from my mom. So yeah, I'm going to be putting that just on my cheeks. Oh, there's highlighter on this brush. Fun, fun. Thank you for that. Okay, so now that I've done blush, I'm gonna. I hear a ghost. I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay eyeshadow in the shade Sin. And then I'm just gonna be taking that in my cheeks. I realize there's no mirror on this, so I can't see anything. Okay. A little bit of concealer on the middles of my eyes so I can do a kind of cut crease. We'll see. Babe, I could try to run, but it will be useless. You're playing. Okay, I'm going to be starting with a base of the shade Golden Ochre. How do you pronounce these shades? I just don't know. It's like a yellowy vibe going on. And then I'm just going to be taking the shade Realgar in my outer corners. And then I'm just going to take a little bit more of Realgar to blend that all out. I'm going to be using a new palette that I just got as a late Christmas present. It's this ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette. It is gorgeous. Look how pretty. And then I'm just going to take the other side of the brush, like the actual blending side, and just blending that out so it doesn't look like I have a glob of concealer on my face. Do Camila's signature winged eyeliner. Her eyeliner is always slaying the game. I'm going to be using this really old Stylist Day All Day. Hopefully it still works. I haven't used this in a couple. The best mascara in the entire world. I love this with my life. I'm gonna do for the final touch is some lips, and she always has really glossy and like pinky lips. This NYX lip gloss in the shade, I have no idea. Hope you guys liked it. Remember to like and subscribe. If you want to see me do any more celebrity makeup tutorials, then comment down below who you would want to see. I hope you're having a good day, and I love you guys. Bye.